Hello students. Path is a pathless, truth is a pathless land. It means if you speak to, there is no need to take others' help to be to reach to the conclusion, to get your conclusion, to get your result. With your chapter number 4, name of the chapter is simple equation. So, what is a simple equation? What is an equation? Means addition, subtraction and multiplications of variables with their coefficient are called equation. Suppose 3x plus 8 is equal to 10. These are variables with their coefficient. There we are adding, we are subtracting. It means when you will add and subtract variables with their coefficient, then you will make a equation. Okay, so equation. What is the equation? Addition and subtraction, multiplication of variables with their coefficient is called equation. Okay, so here these are variables. Variable. Here variable is x. Okay, these are variables. Means from A to Z. From A to Z, all alphabets means all alphabets from A to Z in a equation are called variables, and a number which is with variable is called coefficient. It is a coefficient. It is a coefficient, and these are constant term. These are constant term. Okay, so let us start your exercise. Question number 2. Check whether these are the equations are the solution or not. If x is equal to 2 is the solution of this equation, 2x plus 4 is equal to 15, then your LHS should be equal to the RHS. And then where and what is LHS and RHS? Means which is in the side of LHS means left hand side, that is called LHS, and which is in the right hand side, that is called RHS. Okay, so right hand side it is right hand side is all called in a short form, that is RHS. Okay, and LHS is the short form of left hand side. Okay, so left hand side should be equal to the RHS means right hand side when you put the value of x in this equation. First, that solution. Take LHS. LHS is 2x plus 4. Only write LHS, okay? Because we are going to solve only LHS. And now put the value of x. X is equal to 2. So where x is written, you will write the value of x. So 2 into x. 2 into x means the value of x is 2. 2 into 2 plus 4. 2 2s are 4 plus 4. Here 4 4s. 4 4 8. Now your solution of LHS is 8, and here RHS is 15. So you can see LHS is not equal to RHS. Here you can say LHS is not equal to RHS. Then, if LHS is not equal to RHS, then it means x is equal to 2 is not a solution of this equation. So, x is equal to 2 is not a solution of the equation. Clear? Hence proved. Okay. Now next question is part number D. Part number D are the same question. Okay. Check whether x is equal to 5 is the solution of this equation or not. Okay. So again take LHS. Write the solution. Take LHS. LHS is 4x upon 5 plus 2. Okay. 4 into x is 5 upon 5 plus 2. 5 5 cancel, then you will get 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 means 6. Here your LHS is 6 and RHS also 6. Here you can say LHS is equal to RHS. It means so X is equal to 5 is the solution of the equation. Okay, henceforth. So, let us solve the next question. Question number 3. Write the mathematical expressions of the following in statements. So, mathematical expressions. Here, statement is given. Statement is the sum of twice x and 4 is 24. This is your statement. And here, this statement will be written in the mathematical expression. Then, how will you write according to the question? See, in mathematical equation is equal to what is twice x, then twice x and sum of twice and x 4. Okay, sum of twice x and 4. So sum of twice x and 4 is means equal 24. That is your answer. Okay. Next, in mathematical expression, so what will 2x subtracted from 44? See here, first add 44 and what are you subtracting? 2x. You are subtracting 2x. Then here 2x subtracted from 44 gives means equal 10. Gives 10. That is your answer. So have you understood how will you write your statement in mathematical expression? Okay, let us start the next question. Next question number 4. Write the statement for the following. So here question is given in opposite. Just opposite you have to do in this question. Here mathematical expression is given to you and you have to write this mathematical expression in your statement. A statement is different for every student, for everyone, because thinking of and way of speaking and way of telling each different. Okay, it is different for everyone. So here, what will you think and how will you say in your word this mathematical expressions? See, first at in a statement. So how will you write? Twice RP. You can say twice RP added to 5 gives 8. Okay? Okay. Now change your language. Now do. 5 is added in twice RP gives 15. Okay? You can write in your own way. So here I am going to write sum of twice of P and 5 is 50. Now I have written another statement. So it is depends upon you in which way you are thinking, in which way are you expressing your ideas. Okay. For other statement, for other mathematical expressions, write it in a statement. In a statement How do you write this? See, sum of 2 and half of p gives it another way. Think another way. P is divided by 2 when added with 2 gives 8. Okay, so different ways of expressing your statement. Okay, so I am going to write here sum of 2 and half of p gives 8. That is your answer. So statements can be different. Don't worry, okay? Because ideas and words are different for everyone. Okay. So let us solve next question. Okay. With your next question. Next question number 5 is set up an equation for the following cases. Cases are given here. Okay. It means statements are given here, and you have to make an equation, mathematical equation. So question is Ram is 10 years more than twice of age of Rahim. Again, Ram is 10 years more. Ram is 10 years more. And whom? Rahim. It means Ram is depend upon Rahim. Okay. So Ram is 10 years more than twice of age of Rahim. So Ram's age is 56 years and Ram's age is also given here. So let Rahim's age is equal to Z. Rahim's age is Z. Okay. Then if Rahim's age is Z, then your equation is twice of the age of Rahim. So according to your condition, according to question, twice of age of the Rahim, twice the age of the Rahim, and 10 years more than Ram. 10 years more than Ram. Okay. So Ram is 10 years more than twice of the age of the Rahim. It means now this is the age of Ram. Okay. If you are not understanding, so let me do in statement. Okay. See, Rahim's age is 10, Z, then Ram's age is 10 more than the twice of the Rahim. It means this is the Ram's age, and in your question Ram's age is given 56. It means both should be equal because Ram cannot be different. Ram is a single person, and if his age is 56 and you are saying his age is 10 plus 2 Z, it means both should be equal. So equation should be 2Z plus 10 is equal to 56. That is your answer. This is your equation. Okay. So with this question, I am going to wind up your exercise. All questions are same. All questions are very easy. Just try to do it. Otherwise, if you have any doubt, you can contact me through WhatsApp. Okay. So have a good day. Okay. So thank you.